Assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the channel of the Skill Studio. We were performing the Wavelet Transform on a given pixel. The given pixel was this question. We have completed the first step in the previous video and now we are moving forward to solve the second step. So for the second step, we will take the only horizontally averaged values that we perform in the first step. Right? We will be solving the horizontal the further calculations on the horizontal average values. So this was the value that was we calculated in our previous video. Now for this this is a 4 cross 2 matrix, right? And I said in the first video and also in the second video that if we have the different number of rows and different number of columns, so we are going to perform the vertical functions in it. What are the vertical functions? We are going to take the average and the difference of the values in the vertical direction. So here we have 4 cross 2 matrix and we are going to solve it the horizontal vertical average values and vertical difference values, right? So we are going to take these two values and we will first do the average of them. We will calculate the average of them, then we will take these two values, we will take the average of them, then the third value, and then the fourth value. So here I have calculated 121.5 plus 98. This is the vertical direction and we are taking an average of it. So the answer is this. Now this is a 2 cross 2 matrix, right? Again we will take the difference of it and the same value b minus a. So here a is this 1.1 and b is this 98. So b minus a is 98 minus 121.5, right? The same way 85 minus 106, then 75 minus 79.5 and 75 like this. So this is again a 2 cross 2 matrix, right? So you might have a question that for how many rounds we are going to calculate this. So we are going to calculate these values horizontally or vertically, and we are going to take the average and the difference of these values unless we get only one in here, right? So when we have only one block left at there, because I've told you in the first video that we are going to calculate the low high, there was a block in it and we need to calculate this was sorry, let's get back. So this was the thing that we are going to find out, right? So we have to find out low values. Now when does the value of when does this fill out? When we have low and low values, right? So low is for when we take the average of the values, right? When we take the average of values, so it will become it will fulfill the condition of the low. And for high, when we take the difference of values, right? So it will do the high values, right? So these are going to find out in the end. So for the second step, what have we done is that we just calculated the vertical average and vertical difference of it. Why? Because why did we do in the vertical direction? Because we had a 4 cross 2 matrix. In the 4 cross 2 matrix, we just learned that when we have the different number of rows and different number of columns, then we are going to perform the vertical calculations, right? So for the next step, in the step 3, this will be most probably the final step. So switch to the next video for finding the last calculations. Thank you.